7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about how to do the competitive research. Let us first take an example. We have earlier already discussed about how to find your competitor. So right now take an example of foolwala.com. So let us open the website. So this is the website foolwala.com. So first of all we need to find out the competitor of this foolwala.com with the process that we have earlier discussed how to find the competitor. So the competitor is here fnp.com, that is Funds and Petals. Now what are the things that we need to look into this competitor? So let us open this thing. So you do the competitive research and there are 4 points we need to remember. The first thing is that you have to look into the features of your competitor, what they are offering and what you can also do for your customers. So see, in Fun Petals we can see they have a feature of track order here, they have the features of Android application, they have the features of same day delivery, and they are showing it in this clear beautiful way. And if we check with foolwala.com, we can see also here the track order application is there, and you can see this kind of track my order, and they have their mobile app page as well. So if you click on this mobile app, it would take you to nowhere. It is just, if we click on that, it is opening to Google Play Store. And if we check with fnp.com, so if we can see they have their customize your bouquet, that is also there in Foolwala. So we can see the FNP news here. So if we check here, we can see in a clear way what is the news here. Foolwala news we can't see over here. We can see the blogs. So so features is basically mean what are the things that they are offering for their customers, the technology, the technical things, the things that can help your users to enrich their experience. So these are called features. The second point we need to check is the number of indexed page. Why? Because more the number of indexed page, there is a better chance that you would get more rank for the keywords. As example, we have already discussed one indexed page can rank for 3 to 6 keywords. So if you have more number of index pages, that means it multiply by 3 or 6 times number of keywords you can come on rank. And more number of keywords, there is a better chance that more and more people will visit your website and you would get more and more traffic. So for example, we see here, if we see site colon foolwala.com,